or speed. What that is pretty much anything below that. I believe CDS is another type of airdrop. That's more like 150. It's a lot of typically parachute, personnel, it's called. So anybody jumping out of people, or people jumping out of the plane, that's going to be more like 100 knots. That's getting pretty close to stall. So the plane just kind of, it's pretty low.
You're going to fly 84 knots, straight and level, fully level.
Dang. Yeah, well, the plane is very low. Oh, really?
He started flying and then 65.5, delivered into Bermuda first, and then he took an air refuel 130 to Vietnam.
Yeah.
First ones that refueled
I'm sure you noticed it.
He loved this plane.
Man, the J, I'm sure you'd love to see the J model. It's definitely, you haven't seen the flight deck yet, but when you do, I don't know if you've seen the old H model, it's a lot. It's so much electronics, everything. It's the future. As simple as it is. They have
Buddy said they just delivered 2 new ones. I knew that there was
we got a 2015 built. One just showed up actually. It's like this is all like the anti-skid's all torn up. All these this is all flipped out of the floor. Unfortunately, it just happens when you're loading. It's just you can't keep that. The new 2015 one is brand new. Like the floor is perfect.
The low altitude extractions where they pull it right out of the ground.
I've done like one of those, and we did it is scary. Looking out the back, seeing that is terrifying. There's a lot of photos of it like that on the internet. I don't have any personally.
Can you imagine how much force it's created when that opens up?
Dude, it's so these locks are actually rated for, so it's 26,000 pounds on that direction. When they're in a special state called armed, that's when you're about to airdrop something like a pallet, a Humvee, on a special platform for airdrop. It can actually go up to about 14,000 pounds. Once those locks feel that, when that extraction chute is deployed, when the locks feel, hey, 14,000 pounds, we're out. They let go, and the thing just flies out. Then, of course, the normal chutes come out, and then it just floats down. We did something called LCLA, which is low cost, low altitude. It's literally a tarp, like a trash bag looking parachute with like plastic bottles that just carry like 300, 400 pounds of cargo. You fly 300 feet off the ground, and it just goes out. It's very cheap and pretty efficient actually for what it is. You can reuse it. I say reuse, you don't really want to reuse it, but you could if you really need to.
They can deploy vehicles and stuff right on the ground, but they probably don't do that.
Oh no, that's like scary. Yeah. Right now, actually, as it turns out, like it kind of surprised me, but when you think about it, the logic would make sense. When you deploy, you don't do so much the airdrop. You do more airdrop here in training than when you deploy. Deploy, there's so many bases already set up that there's no reason to airdrop because it's so much cheaper to just land, drop the stuff off, and then take off again. But if you have something like a battle, or you need to reinforce people that are pretty far ahead, or in a place where you can't land, you'll just airdrop some food, water supplies, anything like that, ammo. You can just drop it out of little boxes, or just a giant Humvee if they need it. Stuff like that. It's awesome. It's an awesome thing to watch and participate in.
How old is this plane?
This plane was built in 2008. The J model itself is 1994. Its first flight was. This one was 2008. The J model is 1994. Yeah, so it's pretty much brand new. In terms of military aircraft, like some of those are 70, 80 years old. Yeah.